Recently, a client shared a feedback that she received from her family about me. She's been into therapy for 6 months, and her parents and her family have started saying that तुम बदल गई हो, तुम अब खुद के डिसीजंस लेने लग गई हो, हमसे कुछ पूछती ही नहीं हो, और अगर सिर्फ बातें ही करनी थी तो हम ही तुम्हें सुन लेते, तुम्हारी साइकोलॉजिस्ट मैडम तुम्हारी कोई मदद नहीं कर रही है. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई वॉजंट हर्ट वन बिट. In fact, I was happy because I knew therapy was working. Now, when she came to me 6 months back, she was very high on perfection, people-pleasing attitude, wanted a lot of approvals and validations from others, and low self-esteem. And after 6 long months, she's been able to understand her patterns, build awareness, accept, and take small actions. And today she's able to say no without over-explaining. She no longer seeks a lot of validations, takes her own decisions, and most importantly, she started seeing things in grey light. Now, none of this was easy. It was very difficult, but she was able to do it. And the problem comes here. The uncomfortable part is here. Not that they are bad people or they are not supportive. It's just that this change in dynamics is what is bothering them. And I remember this, that after the first and the second session, I did tell her that if you're able to bring the changes in these patterns, and I constantly kept telling her this, that people are going to say you've changed, tum badal gayi ho, tum ab waisi nahi rahi. And that's exactly what happened. See, you have to understand this, that once you're into therapy, people around you will say things like this, that you've changed, you're not going to listen to us, you've become different. What they're actually trying to tell you, that the version of you, as in the new version of you, no longer serves them, it serves you. And also remember this, in therapy we don't teach you to disrespect anybody. We just tell you to respect others, but not at your own cost. And if growth around you is making people uncomfortable, please don't shrink back. It's time you pause, you reflect, and ask yourself that am I being difficult, or am I being different, and am I grown? If the answer is yes, then continue that change. Share this with somebody who needs to hear this.